So yeah, I'm getting ready. Just basic. I'm just getting ready to go out. Nothing much. I'm just gonna put some moisturizer and yeah, all that. Nothing much. I had a few important stuff to do, like my code essay, and I need to get myself a kit also, like my from the permesso and all of that. I need to do the important stuff, and I'm getting ready for that. I'm almost ready. I've put on my clothes, and yeah, I'm just getting ready. Nothing much. I'm just gonna add some tint. I'm crazy for tint. That's what I'm gonna do. By the way, I am using this tint, the Insight Cosmetics one in the shade 05 Strawberry Dip. Well, I don't know how to do makeup. All I know is just to add tint. I am good at it, and that's what I am doing here also. I don't know, maybe I'll learn. And I have severe dark circles. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it, but hopefully I'm gonna fix my schedule. And please ignore the mess in the room. My roommate is also not doing well, and I am also too tired to clean anything right now. I am just messing my things up. I think this much is okay. Blush, I have blush blindness. I'm crazy for blush and all, so I hope I don't look like a clown. Yeah, I think that's it. That's pretty much, to be honest, is my makeup. I don't think so I am gonna do anything else. All I'll do is maybe add a lip liner. I'll get back to you after I apply this. I think this is it. I am just blending it in. I don't know. I'm just a new beginner in makeup and all. I don't know anything. Like few days ago only I've started using all these liner and all. So yeah, I am just learning. And maybe I am gonna, like, because my lips are so dehydrated, I think I'm gonna add a gloss only. I think that's only gonna work for me because my lips are so dehydrated. My lips are so dehydrated. I think I'm gonna do that. I am applying this lip mask. I think I got this from Dubai, yeah, from Max. I think I got this from Max. It's hydrating, and yeah, it's works for me. That's it. I think I look pretty presentable. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna add anything on this, or maybe I'll do. I think I have to, because when I'll come back it's gonna be a bit chilly, so hopefully I'll add something. And this is the moisturizer I use. This is a very nice one. So yeah, just the basic stuff. I am new to all of I'm new to all of this. I don't know, I'm just learning, so hopefully I'll get better into this. And now I'll take you guys along with me for my appointment and everything. I don't have an appointment. I hope I get one today for my Codice Fiscale, and then I'll buy myself a kit. If I get enough time and everything, I'll record it for you. If not, I'll come back and just let you know, like, whatever happens. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But to show you, I wore this simple necklace, and I'm just gonna wear this dainty earrings. Not too much, because that's not something like needs to be too tacky. So I'm gonna wear this, and I think I'm all ready. I just need to pack my passport, like my stuff, basic stuff that I need to go take. I am out and I'm going to the center side, and it's pretty chill at this point of time. I thought this clothes is enough. No, I'm not feeling too cold right now, but it is actually cold. And yeah, I've not shown you the streets in the morning time, so I'm gonna show you right now. This is what it looks like. I stay nearby only, and I am moving towards the street. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty, right? So yeah, I'll have to walk maybe for 5 minutes to the center, and there I'm gonna meet my younger brother. He's gonna help me with all the things, my appointment and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna cross the road properly. I think I'll have to run because he's almost there. He took a bus, and here's me so late as always, and I'm running so that he doesn't have to wait. He's already waiting. I know he'll yell at me that why do you do so late and all of that. But yeah. Oh my god. That's amazing. Look at these buildings. Europe is all about these buildings, I guess. I think I need to run. I will see you guys there. Also, while I'm walking down the street, I just wanted to share something, like being an Indian and coming from a lower middle class family. Like I always dreamt of being in Europe, coming to Europe as a, like maybe for studies or just for a trip. That was a dream to me, and now I am here in Europe, walking down the streets. I have always imagined, and I don't know whether my father is gonna watch this vlog or not, but I hope he will. I just wanna say that I am so thankful of you, Papa, that because of you I am living this dream. Genuinely, that it feels surreal to be here, to walk down the street, to live a life. And I've always imagined, I've always dreamt of, not even imagined, like it was just like, I don't know, like I am short of words right now. All I can say is just thanks to my father. Because of him, me and my younger brother, we both are here together. That's crazy. And yeah, I'm so thankful of you, Papa. I hope you're gonna watch this vlog, and I'm so thankful. And hopefully soon you are gonna be here with me, inshallah. And yeah, just look at it. Like I can't thank my life enough. Allah, most importantly, Allah enough. And you thought always, you, my mom, everyone, like that's crazy. Look at the house here. My god, the streets. My younger self would be so happy. I am living the dream of so many people, and I'm living a dream of myself. I am a little emotional too right now. I don't want to cry in the streets, but yeah, I am so thankful of this life. So thankful of Allah, so grateful of Allah, and most importantly, this would have never been possible without you, Papa. Thank you so much. I know I am not that expressive, but yeah, I love you. If you're watching this, I love you, and thank you for all what you have done to me. Guys, अभी हमने कोई पिज़्ज़ा लिया है जो कुछ ऐसा सा दिखता है. I am not sure कि ये कैसा होगा. Let's just taste it. कैसे खा रहा है तू? He thinks this is okay, this is अच्छा. और मुझे तो जेन्युइनली ऐसा लग रहा है ब्रेड खा रहे हैं. लिजिट उस पर कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ उन्होंने अनियंस डाले हुए हैं ना. नो ऑरिगेनो, चिली फ्लेक्स, नथिंग. और ये €1 का है, €1. We are here at the Pasito beach, I guess. Yeah, and just look at the surroundings, it's beautiful. Oh my god, look at the sky. Isn't it stunning? Stunning. And it also a little chilly here. Look at that. I hope you can see the hills, the mountains there. This is crazy. Look at those beautiful houses. Oh my god, look at the view. This is stunning. I think it's a pebble beach. There's not much of sand, but it's beautiful. Look at the sky. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is my mess का food with this bread also. और ये मेरे को पता नहीं इन्होंने क्या दिया है. लाइक ये बिल्कुल भी खाने लायक नहीं है. लाइक आप खा ही नहीं सकते, आप टेस्ट भी नहीं कर सकते. मैंने एक बाइट लिया एंड आई कुडंट इवन गल्प इट. इतना गंदा था, इतना गंदा. पता नहीं लोग इसको कैसे खा रहे हैं. लाइक हाउ कम आई एम गोना सर्वाइव ऑन दिस फूड. आई डोंट नो. I am moving back to my room. I just had my food in my Mensa. I hope you must have seen in the previous video how bad the food was. And yeah, now I am near the street and I'm walking down.